What if a hotel could actually make you feel better after your stay? Westin hotels are built around a single concept that you should leave better than when you arrive, and following an $80 million investment within the property, this is visibly clear. The newly designed interiors take inspiration from biophilic design. The atrium is split into two uses, one half given over to a lounge space with clusters of seating arranged around low tables. The other side flows into root and vine. The hotel's location couldn't be any more convenient, right in the heart of the Penn Quarter. The Capital One Arena and Chinatown are minutes away on foot. The National Mall and Smithsonian Museums are around a 20-minute walk, and 2 metro stations are within easy reach, taking you across the city and connecting you with Ronald Reagan Airport and Dulles International Airport. The 807 guest quarters are divided across a choice of categories. King and Queen City View offer heavenly beds and signature interiors with views across the DC skyline. Premier and King Corner View offer enhanced views with their wraparound windows, and for those wanting more space, the Superior and Premier one-bedroom suites offer a separate living area or go all out with the Presidential Suites, ideal for longer stays. For wellness enthusiasts, Peloton rooms are worth knowing about. In-room bikes allow you to work out entirely on your own schedule. The view lived up to the room category name, looking out over treetops with the Carnegie Library sitting directly below. The menu takes its provenance seriously with local suppliers highlighted throughout. The Westin DC Downtown delivers on its wellness promise without it ever feeling like hard work, and in a city that makes for a great city break destination, the property puts you front and center of everything the capital has to offer.